Hello everybody, welcome from HVACR Design Engineering. My name is Tuya Ao. Now I want to talk about share and chew condenser using commercial air conditioning and refrigeration system. Share and chew condenser consists of condenser share and condenser chew. Condenser chew is inserted into the condenser share. In share and chew condenser, refrigerant vapor is flowed through into the condenser share while cold water is circulating inside the condenser tube. So, cold water inside the condenser tube is absorbed the heat from the refrigerant vapor that is inside the condenser share. After cold water inside the condenser tube is absorbed the heat from the refrigerant vapor that is inside the condenser share, cool water is changing to hot water at the hot water outlet. Cold water is coming into the cool water inlet and hot water is coming out from the hot water outlet. Refrigerant vapor is coming into refrigerant vapor inlet and refrigerant liquid is coming out from the refrigerant liquid outlet. Refrigerant vapor is come into contact with condenser tube while cold water is circulating inside the condenser tube. So, refrigerant vapor is condensing into refrigerant droplet and it is completely changed into refrigerant liquid. Refrigerant vapor must be completely changed into refrigerant liquid before leaving the refrigerant liquid outlet. Cold water must be completely changed into hot water before leaving the hot water outlet. You can check the refrigerant liquid condition in the cycler. In share and chew condenser, pressure relief bar can be installed as a safety device. Thank you very much for watching my video.